Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for the next item of my spring fashion mood board, which I didn't name this time. It's just 2021, and the concept of the mood boards in general is just to order my thoughts, create a nice little capsule of DIY clothing, so handmade clothing that I want to wear, and make those in that season and sometimes beyond that season. This is the Mesa and it is by Seamworks, and I am a Seamwork ambassador. I love the brand, I love everything about the brand. A few features of the Mesa: it is a relaxed fit, it has side slits, a shallow neckline, and some short sleeves. Now the fabric suggestions are a medium to or a light to medium knit. However, I decided to do my own thing. There's this fold in here that I should have ironed, which I didn't. But I decided to do my own thing and I shopped my stash. Now my stash is a little creative mess, but it is what it is. So this is a sateen cotton with flower print on it. The size that I made was size small, which is a 4 to 6. And I decided to just let me put in my measurements so you guys can get a gist of what it is. So my bust metric is 80 centimeters, my waist is 70, and my hips is 90s. And my height is 163. I have 4 pattern pieces. So the front of the dress, the back of the dress, the sleeves, and the neckband. Listen, only 18 steps to success. 18. That's it. Let me tell you about the construction. The shoulder seams first on both sides. Then you put in the sleeve on both sides. And then you sew from this part, so the sleeve hem, up to the dress hem. You put in the neckband. First, you have it already, you cut it already on the fold, right? So you make sure that you close that end, then the shortest end of the neckband, then you fold it, iron it, make sure it's nice and crisp. You put it in here and you sew it. I use my overlocker for my seams. And then so the last step is to hem your sleeve and hem the lower part of your skirt, of your dress, and then you can use the twin needle to go a little up here in the split. Make sure that everything is nicely finished, and that is it. And then in terms of the instructions, you guys know I'm a fan. It is very clear. They have depictions as well as text. It is really clear, so it's easy to follow. The amount of fabric, metric measurement is 1 meter 40. Let me show you. So this is my dress. It comes above the knee, so it's a little short. But here is where my butt ends, so I feel comfortable with this length. You have the little slit here, and it's relaxed, you know, it's not too tight. It's really good for this time of year, especially when it's really hot, but you're dressed. And again, the suggestions are there to help you, but they're not the rule. So just try. There are many roads that lead to a successful sewing project, so you do you. Another item that is fun to mention is that I have my very own handmade lingerie on, which is funny because it's like you have your own little secret within your secret. And that is, I have on the Maris bralette. I'm just going to insert a picture right there, because you know, you guys, I'm not into putting my business there. And so I have my own set on, and it just makes me extra happy about it. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. and you have a great day.